I don't want any more jump. Sit down. Yes, of course you can. Of course you can.
Yeah, already we started already. Hello everybody, hope you guys are well. Just starting here. Here's Hussein. He's going to be handling our owls today, and we've got our other team member Liesel right here. So we're ringing two of these little guys today. We'll see the one. Hussein's going to go and catch him there in the corner. He's sitting just there. You can see a little bit of his head right there. It was really interesting, everybody. We've had this box here for only about a year, so it's really good that owlets have actually, well, owls have bred in this box. Here we go, there's a little guy. So we're going to be placing the SAF-RINGS on these guys, and you'll see Liesel's busy getting them ready here. And the SAF-RINGs, and we put nicely around their legs, and just so we put it quite loosely so that it doesn't hinder their growth whatsoever. Yeah. Liesel's going to go ahead and grab the little owlet, and then Hussein, our registered ringer, is going to safely put the ring on the owlet.
Am I holding it correctly?
Get a close up so you guys can see the actual procedure. And not too tight at all. Make sure that he can still grow enough without it hindering his growth whatsoever. Just be very calm, not clicking at all. Usually they do a defensive click that they make with their tongues. It makes sort of, sounds like almost a tree a branch hitting against a tree when they are in defensive mode. But this one seems to be quite calm. There we go, nicely fit. Yeah. Okay. He's just gonna go and put him right back where we found him. Okay. And off he goes back into the garden. Look at that, everybody, isn't that the face of preciousness? Alrighty, so let's go ahead, go to the other little owlet who's situated on the other side of the property. Beautiful, lush greenery all here. You see there's the hardy dog there, one of the cabling. We haven't been able to spot the parents anywhere nearby, but I can assure you that if the owlets were to start clicking, they would make themselves known. The other one's quite a bit of an adventurer. He's wandered to the other side here of the property. See him right there in the brush. There we go, there's that distinctive clicking noise you all know. This one is quite a fair bit bigger than the other one. Probably a few days older. They do grow extremely quickly. Look at that, everybody. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Nice and loosely fit on. You can see there how Hussein tests the looseness of it. Make sure it's not too tight at all. Hussein, how long have you been doing this for?
It was doing across 8 years now.
About 8 years of ringing owls, everybody. So I can guarantee you he's a professional at this stage. A little shot of Liesel holding him, and we're going to put him right back where we found him. There we go. He's a little bit lazy, hasn't moved whatsoever where Liesel's put him. And that's it. Get one shot of him in there. Looks like just a big fluff ball inside the plants. Right, let's see if we can go and find the other one quickly. Go back the other side and we'll say our goodbyes. A very quick and easy process of bringing the owlets. It's part of our data capturing and conservation practice. Just so we know if these owlets are found anywhere in South Africa, in a different region, then we can sort of capture that data of where they travel from. Let's see if we can get a little shot of the other one before we say our goodbyes. There he is there. Just roosting there in the corner. Don't know how clearly you can see him. Oh, there we go. There we go, just having a good little roost there. You can see the tufts on top of his head are starting to show. They've got excellent hearing, and they mainly use their ears to hunt, mostly at night when they can't see very well. They've got incredibly good hearing. Right. Oops. Sorry about that, got a little bit of a selfie cam there. Alright, so thank you everybody. Look at this beautiful garden that we've got here. Perfect for our occupation. Absolutely perfect. Thank you everybody for watching, and we'll catch you guys next time. This is probably the last one that we'll be doing for 2021. As a closing of the Spotted Eagle Owl breeding season is now almost to a full close, and we hope you've had a good watching experience. Cheers for now.